In this video, you'll learn how to effectively set up and use Prometheus and Grafana for monitoring machine learning models, ensuring optimal performance and operational stability.
Are your machine learning models performing at their best? Without proper monitoring, you might be missing out on crucial insights that can help optimize and stabilize your ML operations. In this video, we'll explore how to leverage Prometheus and Grafana to keep a close eye on your ML models. By the end, you'll be well equipped to ensure your models are running smoothly and effectively.
Prometheus is an open-source monitoring toolkit that is particularly adept at handling time series data, making it a perfect fit for machine learning models. It works by scraping metrics from configured jobs, storing them efficiently, and allowing for robust querying. Before setting up Prometheus, ensure you have the necessary system requirements and understand its architecture to make the most of its capabilities. In this segment, we'll guide you through the essential components you need to know. Once you've got Prometheus set up, it's time to bring Grafana into the mix. Grafana is a leading open-source visualization and analytics software that allows you to create dynamic and interactive dashboards. These dashboards are crucial for interpreting the complex datasets generated by your ML models. Grafana's integration with Prometheus is seamless, making it easy to pull in data and visualize it in real time. We'll walk you through the installation process and show you how to set up your first dashboard. Monitoring your ML models isn't just about tracking performance metrics, it's about transforming your approach to model management. By setting up robust monitoring, you can optimize performance, ensure operational stability, and even predict maintenance needs before issues arise. With real-time insights, decision-making becomes data-driven, allowing for swift adjustments. We'll explore these benefits in depth and demonstrate how they contribute to a more efficient ML pipeline. Let's dive into setting up your Prometheus server to start collecting metrics from your ML models. Begin by downloading the latest version of Prometheus from the official site. Once installed, you'll need to configure your scrape jobs to define what data Prometheus should collect. Running your Prometheus server is straightforward with command line instructions, and accessing the web UI will allow you to verify that data is being collected correctly. We'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth setup process. Integrating Prometheus into your ML pipeline is crucial for seamless data collection. This involves using Prometheus exporters and instrumenting your ML code to expose metrics. Custom metrics are vital for gaining insights specific to your models, such as training time or prediction accuracy. We'll show you how to automate data collection and share best practices for integration, ensuring your pipeline runs efficiently and effectively.
With Grafana, you can transform raw data into actionable insights through intuitive dashboards. Start by setting up your data sources to connect with Prometheus. Choose from various visualization types to best represent your ML metrics, and build interactive dashboards that offer deep insights into your model's performance. Understanding user permissions and sharing options will help you collaborate effectively with your team. We'll guide you through the process, ensuring you can create dashboards that truly enhance your ML monitoring.
Monitoring the right metrics is essential for understanding your ML model's health and performance. Key performance metrics include accuracy, precision, and recall, while resource usage tracking helps you optimize your infrastructure. Latency and throughput are crucial for real-time applications, and anomaly detection metrics can alert you to unusual patterns. We'll delve into these key metrics, explaining their significance and how to effectively track them using Prometheus and Grafana.
Setting up Prometheus and Grafana can sometimes be challenging, but common issues often have straightforward solutions. From installation errors to network connectivity problems, we'll help you troubleshoot typical setup hiccups. If your data isn't appearing in Grafana as expected, we'll guide you through possible configuration fixes. Don't forget the power of community support. There are numerous forums and resources available to assist you. By the end of this segment, you'll be ready to tackle any setup challenges with confidence.
To keep your ML monitoring system running optimally, it's vital to follow best practices. Regular system updates ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Setting up alerts and notifications helps you stay informed about critical issues. Optimize data retention settings to balance storage costs and data availability. As your needs grow, consider scaling your monitoring setup, and always conduct continuous performance reviews to identify areas for improvement. These practices will help you maintain a robust and efficient monitoring system. Congratulations on completing this guide to monitoring ML models with Prometheus and Grafana. We've covered essential topics, from setup to best practices, ensuring you have the knowledge to optimize your models. Remember, continuous monitoring is key to success. We encourage you to set up your system and start gaining valuable insights. Share your experiences in the comments, and let us know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time.